Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stamping with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And today I have the cutest little treat box to share with you. As soon as I saw this bundle, I knew I was going to make a little basket for it. So it is a treat box. Treat boxes in here. I have some little Hershey's Kisses. It fits 4 Hershey's Kisses in it, but you can put other things in it as well, M&Ms, something like that. But look how cute this is. I'm changing the basket up because I found another way that I wanted to try it, and it came out really cute, and I'll show you that here in a second. But isn't it cute? I put the little handle on both sides, but I didn't decorate the back, just the front with the Enjoy. And this Enjoy is from the Cup of Tea bundle, so I'm using that because I love this little tag, and the sentiments also from there. You can interchange these, and I'm going to do that today too. The other one that I'm going to do today has apples in it, so I'm going to do the apples, but this has hearts, and I thought it was really cute. And then there's also another one. Let me show you the bundle here. So it's called Cheerful Basket. Isn't it so cute? You can even put this little kitten on there for somebody who loves kitties. And this would be so cute. I thought the apples and this one would be cute for like a crafter or a teacher. This is so cute. And then I would do the little butterfly on his nose or something like that. It would be so, so cute. But this is the bundle. So this is the stamp set, and then the dies are these right here, and it makes these little basket, the little fronts of the basket. And look at it, cuts the kitty. It's got some extra leaves here and some little apples, and then some little hearts here, some little, these look like pine to me, pine needles. And then these leaves, which you can really make it extravagant and cut out some of the leaves and attach it to the apples that you're doing. And then it has this little element right here. And all of the pieces I have out that we're using today. And then the Cup of Tea is the other one. We're using the tag from this. And we're using this Enjoy. But you can do sweet. You can do I Can't Thank You Enough. Yeah, you can do so many things with this. All right, so this is what I'm sharing. This might be a little bit longer, but I am trying to keep my videos down in time so I don't keep you too long. But some of these are a little bit more involved. I already did one of the baskets, which this is the basket I'm doing this time. I really like the contrast of the crumb cake and the soft suede. So I thought that was cute, but I need to make another basket because I want to show you how to put that one together. So this is the front side, and even if you didn't want to put a back side, you don't have to. You can just do the treat box behind this little basket if you want to do a quicker one, but I love these. They're so cute. And then I did also color the apple, and you need to cut out 2 of these, just one plain and one that you stamp, so that you can glue these together, because when you color them with the blends, it bleeds through, and I thought it was just looking neater if you had the back on it. It's all up to you, but it just looks really a lot nicer. So I'm going to show you how to make the basket first thing, and then we'll stamp and color our apples, and then we will get to the box and put it all together. It's really easy to do, so stick with me. Alright, so this is the die that cuts the apples out. So I'm going to use Memento Black since I'm using my blends. And we are going to stamp this first. In the coloring, I'm just doing simple coloring like I always do. And I'll probably just speed through it. I did use, for this, I am using Granny Apple Green, of course, because I'm making some green apples, and then I'm using Light and Dark Old Olive and Light and Dark Real Red to color. All right, so I got all the apples done, and aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, I love these apples. They're really cute. The hearts were super easy to color because it was just all one color, but oh, these are so cute, these apples. And I know the other one's going to be cute too, that has like all the little crafting utensils and stuff on there. It'd be really cute. I wanted to see if I could fit this on there as well, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp the Enjoy. I'm going to stamp this first, and then stamp the Enjoy inside, and we can run these through together. I thought I might have enough space on there. Turn this way. And we will run these through together. And then we'll run all our pieces that we need, which I am using our silver foil for the handle. And then I'm using crumb cake for the largest parts of the basket. And then for the little slits, we are going to use the soft suede. So we should have all our pieces ready to go. I'm going to grab my little piercer and get the handle out. The handle's really thin there. And then we got our largest parts of our basket, and it is wood grain, the basket. I don't know if you can see that. It's so cute. You just have to get these little pieces out here. And then the bottom part of our basket. And then these are the three little pieces, like the rungs of the basket. And then we have our Enjoy and our apples right here. Don't worry about the bottom part because it's going to fit inside the basket. All right, let's scoot these all out of the way. And let's put our basket together here. So what I'm going to do is I'm using a bunch of mini dimensionals, because these fit on the back here, and I'm just going to kind of space them out. Kind of stagger them a little bit, because you don't need the whole thing covered. And then we are going to remove the backings of all of these. Okay, all the backings are removed. Now all you're going to do is put it on here. So it's going to pop it up. It's going to leave a little bit of an area at the top, a little space here, and that's where we're going to put our apples. And then I'm just going to use wet glue to glue these pieces on. Now the largest one goes on the top. Or I should say the longest one. And then the next longest. Isn't this cute though, the two different colors? The original one I just did all the soft suede, but I really like this version. And then because this is our front piece, we need to wait a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue like this one side of the handle here, because we need to put our linen thread underneath there to hold our tag. So I'm just going to do it like this. And then we're going to have this side free for that. And then we can glue it down when we get to the tag part. So I got the tag right here. I'm going to use my little 1/8 inch punch on this. And I am using linen thread for this because it looks so cute with the linen thread. And we are going to just tie it on here. What I did was I just tied it. Boy, my hands are not working today. So I just tied a knot on there, and then we're going to cut this so it's like that. And then I'm just going to use some glue here. I'm going to put it right underneath where the handle is. We're going to put this on here. I think I made my other one a little bit longer, but it's okay. You just want to stick it like right underneath that part that you're gluing it. And then we're going to tie a bow. So we're just going to make a small bow. I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter. I'm going to use a glue dot to hold this one on. And you're going to put it right over where you glued it right there. You're just going to put it right. It's stuck to my finger. Right over that. And you can adjust it if you want to make it a little bit smaller. And then I want to trim these a little bit more. Okay, now what you're going to do is put another, I think I'll use a regular dimensional on this part. You're going to put it right underneath your tag. Remove your backing here. And then you're going to just put that right there. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, this little basket is such adorable. You can use these on cards and everything, but the minute I saw it, you know where my mind goes. And then we're going to add the apples. So just put it right at the bottom. Oh, I forgot to put my other piece on first. So I already ran another piece, and you see it's not stamped or anything. I'm just going to glue it to the back because this is what you're going to see if you don't. But if you don't mind that, then you don't need another piece, but I really like this other piece on there. So just layer it on top here, just like that. And then I'll just add a little bit more here. And then that little slit that's there, you're gonna just set this down in it. Look how stinking cute, y'all. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna grab my other basket that I already made and my other apples, and we're gonna put that one on too. Now, like I said, you can leave it. You don't have to put the apples. You can do it like this without both apples, but I just like these little pieces on here. They're just so stinking cute. All right, now we're ready to make our box. So for the box, you need a piece that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/2. Super easy box, y'all. We are going to score this. All right, so we're going to score it on the 5 1/2 inch side at 1/2, at 1 1/2, at 3, and at 4. Then you're going to turn it, and on the 3 3/4 inch side, you're going to score it at 1 and 2 3/4. That's it. It's a little box, but it's so stinking adorable. All right, to cut this. This is our top part here. Cut down here. We're gonna again make flaps. If you know how I do this, you're gonna cut this in half, about in half. Then you're gonna cut in these. Do the same, cut down here to the second score mark. Cut this about in half because we're making our little flaps for inside the box. And then I'm going to trim this up just a hair more. And then we're going to cut into these too. So this folds in the box really nicely. All right, now on the sides, you're going to cut into these. And then this side as well. And now we are just going to sharpen our score marks and put this box together. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use my Stampin' Seal Plus. So I'm going to put it on the ends here. This is the only place you need to put adhesive. Tuck those in there, pull this up, line them up, and then line this one up. These little flaps fold inside your box, and then this is our top that folds in, and there's our little box. You can put M&Ms in this. It's just so cute. All right, now we're ready to put these pieces on, and I'm going to use wet glue for this because I want to be able to move them a little bit, make sure they stand up. So we're going to put that on there. Make sure it stands up there. And then this one, we're going to do the same to this one. And that is it, y'all. Isn't that easy? Oh my gosh, it's so stinking adorable. Look how little and cute this is. I swear, as soon as I saw this, I knew what I wanted to do. I love this one better than the all soft suede. I like it with the crumb cake and soft suede. Which one do you like better? I mean, it's all your choice, but this looks more authentic to me. So that's what I like. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. You know, as always, this is my host code. I'd appreciate it if you used it when you shop with me. And I hope you all have a blessed day. I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.